Right, we've got a hemisphere here, and that has a total surface area of 16 over 3 pi, and has a volume of k pi centimetres cubed. Find the value of k. Now, we know how to find the surface area of that hemisphere. We've got the circle on the top, so that's pi r squared, and we're going to add on the the surface area of a whole sphere is 4 pi r squared, but we're going to halve that because we've only got half of it, and we know that's equal to 16 over 3 pi. Okay, so what we've essentially got there is 3 pi r squared equals 16 thirds pi, so we know that 3 r squared equals 16 thirds, which we know that r squared therefore is 16 over 9, and r, although it could be minus 4 over 3, we're not going to have a length of minus 4 over 3, are we? Now we've got r, and we can work out the volume, and we do, that's 4 thirds times. Now, it's pi, actually, oh hang on, yeah, pi times 4 thirds cubed times a half. Okay, because it's a hemisphere. So 4 thirds is from the formula. 4 thirds cubed, because r is 4 thirds. We've got half a sphere, so that's where the half comes from. Now, we don't actually need to put pi in our calculator, so this is there really for, not for decoration, but sort of don't put in calc, right? Because we want our answer in terms of pi. So we've got to do 4 thirds times 4 thirds cubed times a half. Stick that in your calculator, you end up with 128 over 81. Really, yeah, I mean, when it's broken down like that, it looks really simple. It's one of those annoying questions that's actually relatively hard. You've got quite a lot to do for 4 marks. Okay, I remember at school, sat there, and my maths teacher was showing me what I thought was an impossible question and making it look really easy. Well, that's kind of one of those questions here. It is, once you break it down, you know, what do you know? Then it actually becomes pretty easy, but just looking at it right from the start, it looks quite daunting.